That's not mine, YouTube. This one's mine. This one is mine. This is the electric lemonade. I'm proud. I'm not gonna lie. This is the third one. I did regular. I did regular. Okay, this third time is the try. After this, I'm gonna start getting the largest because I feel like I'm knocking them out.
You mix yours?
Bro, huh? No, I don't mix it.
You don't mix it?
No, we never mix it.
Mix it?
Nah.
I don't see how it tastes mixed food. Nah, it's like this. It's like one with the bottom.
Okay.
You mixing it right now. Well, that's what it is. You mixing it right now. That's what mixing it mean?
I don't be mixing. Let's still the layers. Oh, finna try YouTube. Hopefully the camera don't go out on it.
Hopefully the camera go out on it.
Tastes like juice. Like usual. It always tastes like juice.
At first, it do. At first, it do.
Alright, I'm about to fill that in like 10 minutes.
Actually good.
Hold on. Y'all know I gotta get like halfway before I give it a rating for real. I'm telling y'all, every time I taste the weed,
I don't think I have it.
every time I taste the weed, I taste the flavor more. I don't know how to explain it, but like,
I know what you mean.
that's just how it is.
I know what you mean.
Yeah. I just taste the flavor way more when I taste the weed.
But it's kind of like that. I don't want that taste in my mouth afterwards. The juice bit after that actually makes it.
Hey, you want that effect? I really did a lot of sips, man. Relax.
But that shit good though.
I don't think I mean, it looks regular, but like, this be taking the whole day, I'm not gonna lie.
Not me. He's smaller than the one I have. I had the big one last time.
These be taking the whole day for me, I don't know. Damn, you already...
Nigga, this is like a 24-ounce cup.
What you had? You had a watermelon what?
This is watermelon. Regular watermelon.
Alright, where you said I'm gonna tune in when it's... I'm gonna put the camera back up when it's like halfway. Or when we go to the mukbang. We're gonna do the mukbang later on and shit.
You're annoying. I swear. Like, why do you make me take faces?
Alright, YouTube, we made it inside of Jojo'S mukbang. This is my drink right now, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this fiend. Look at this fiend.
Nigga. This is not that bad.
But we just got the drink. Just a minute ago.
No, we did not. It was like 10 minutes ago.
It was about 10 minutes ago. But it was like a minute ago. Heel touch. I'm gonna press record when we get the food. I'll let y'all know. This is our first time at JoJo's. I'm gonna see what it's about. And we're gonna give a rating on the shake. They got the biggie shakes. So this is why you don't chug Awaken Bakery lemonade.
That's not even my phone.
Shake bars.
What's that?
$6. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Order and pay the bill. Alright, YouTube, I'm done. I don't even know how many sips in, but this is how it is. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a 9 as well. So this and the strawberry coffee flavor. That. And this is the cave.
Watermelon.
The watermelon. Wreckage watermelon?
Yeah.
That's the next one I'm trying.
I rate like an 8.5 out of 10 episode though. Towards the end, you taste that flavor.
This is a 9. Probably without the infusion, this might be a 10.
10, yeah.
Whoa,
All of them might be a 12. This for sure might be a 10.
but I'm gonna pick it up when like I said, I get the food because I'm still hungry.
bro.
Alright,
Got too much going on.
shut your ass up.
I can't even think.
Alright, you two, our drinks came at home.
What is that? What's the story?
Go ahead, you can show you. You can do it. Damn. What's this called? The chocolate Nirvana?
Yeah. You touching the guy.
I got the gold digger. The gold nick.
You look like a gold nigger.
Because that's not funny.
Yeah, bro. Are you so angry?
I think I got a pretzel. I'm gonna try it.
You got a pretzel or Barcelona?
This shit tough.
Gelato.
This cookie big as hell.
Nah, not for real.
Oh, we got a fork? Oh. Oh, we got a spoon. We can put it on the cookie. Oh, wait. Oh, damn. I need to do what you did. Hold on. That is smart. Oh, wow.
Why you playing? Like,
You got a chocolate chip cookie?
mm-hmm.
I got a macadamia. I did macadamia.
Like in there.
So what is this? A cake pop?
Donut hole. Yours toffee, I think. And that's like a Oreo kind.
I got like.
That shit big as shit.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna lay it out.
He laid out the whole thing.
Watch when the food comes. I don't even know what this is. It's a
Marshmallow.
marshmallow. You too. You too.
Hey, marshmallow.
Oh, it don't taste like nothing. It looks like pretzel.
Yeah.
It's not tasting like pretzel.
Please. Put it out a whole way out.
The cookie good.
I can feel it. Like, what? It's creamy, but
Yo, it's birthday cake. I should This is the best thing in there. This is like a 9.5 out of 10, bro. I like the donut hole.
bro, my shit.
This is a walking right here.
That's how much.
I'll get a shake.
The same one yours is.
Oh yeah, that's it's good. It's good, ain't it?
The cream is.
I wish I had a chocolate chip cookie though.
I'd rather have that one
Alright,
if it was like salt. Like, you could use too hard for that.
I get a shake like a 9. It's tough. I like it.
I actually think my favorite. I just did it. That's just different.
The marshmallow's only.
This stuff, look, this stuff is out of here. It was like toffee, right?
I don't like pretzels. I don't like pretzels like that. So like, nah, this is the worst thing.
My color.
Like fart. Like fart.
The best thing about this is probably
Alright, you can stay tuned to the food. I feel like I'm full already. It's okay.
I think it was half though.
YouTube, the minute I said I was gonna press record when the food instantly came, so This is what I wish I did at New Orleans recording when I ate.
That's why I said $15 for every nigga there.
Oh, this shit gonna be good. I'm gonna kill it.
I can do it today. I can do it today.
That shit hot.
I like your good though.
Second forever.
Check it out, bro.
I'll show it camera.
This bitch is funny.
I wish we had a speaker with a flash bitch. Not funny.
Right, Catfish.
YouTube, I am sitting here editing the Jojo'S Mukbang vlog, and I see that the camera cut off. I think it died. I have a problem. I need to keep my phone charged, but nonetheless, I'm mad that I didn't get my rating on video. So this is going to be the rating right here. That mac and cheese, I've had a lot of mac and cheese in my day. All right, y'all seen through my past videos, y'all know mac and cheese is my favorite dish of all time. But Jojo'S, they did a good job. I think I gave their mac and cheese I think I gave them like a 7.5. Because I'm not gonna lie, I rate that very seriously. I rate mac and cheese very seriously. So there's like way more that I've had. I'll probably I'll probably have the best mac and cheese on camera so y'all can know, put y'all on game so I can, like, you know what I'm saying? You know, just spread the word and shit. And the burger was really just a burger. If you're new to the channel, if you're just not, I'm just yapping. If you're new to the channel, if you just not see me, make sure you press that subscribe button. Also like, let's get this video to 50 likes. Cool 50 likes. All hail the unknown. Don't fucking say it. All hail the unknown. I am KJ, and we out.
Bro. You heard me? 117, didn't it?
What you mean?
For me and you, 117.
What you mean?
Scored.
What was mine?
Look, right there. 117 away. I'm 138, you 255. You couldn't have got there. I don't know what's wrong. Second, bro.
I just tried to kick you in the butt and then I got in the butt.
Exactly, yeah, funny.